Alright guys, it's going to be a how to get these pedals or do a 5-speed swap, which I'm going from 5-speed to an automatic in my next car here. Of course this one's halfway tore apart already. It's getting caged and a few other goodies on it, but I figured I'd make a video of how to do this, and I've already started taking some of them out. Or actually everything's out. I just got to get a couple wires out. I've already got the quadrant out because I've already put the quadrant in my other car. Anyways, there's a 10 millimeter bolt, and of course I use pliers, needle nose, to get the clip out of the brake sensor, like brake light sensor, and a 10 millimeter or 1/2 inch to get to, or I'm sorry, a 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch to get to the nuts on the firewall. Now they bolt up. You can see them from the other side. I can't really reach up there. There's one there, one up top, and one up over there. I used a long extension with a swivel with this 1/2 inch deep and got to it. You probably should use a 13. I couldn't find my 13 while I was laying in this car upside down. And of course I got the seat removed to do this, because like I said, this whole car is getting stripped out anyways. So make sure you unplug the sensors or all your wires. There's a neutral safety switch on here that I've already unplugged, and now I just need to work it down and figure out what else is holding. I got this wire here holding mine on, so let me get this undone here. I gotta have both hands. I just remembered that there is another harness right here. That's what's holding me up here. Is this harness here, and this is the clutch safety, and the neutral safety switch, clutch safety switch, whatever, to push the clutch in, so you can't start it without the clutch being pushed in. Whatever the technical term is. But let me get this unplugged and I'll get this out. Alright, got it out. So the first light sensor was the brake light switch, and that's this one right here. And these other two go to the clutch pedal. Got where the 4 studs go through, and the nuts mount on this side, and then you got the one that goes up here into the dash, and then it's out. That's just reverse procedure, or putting it back in, or going putting the 5-speed one in, or the auto one in. Of course the auto one won't have this brake or clutch pedal in it. It'll just be a brake pedal by itself. Anyways, hope this helps somebody.